She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be perfect for a spring or summer party appetizer. We're going to go ahead and make a colorful and easy strawberry salsa. So these are the ingredients that we will be using today to whip up this quick and easy, wonderful strawberry salsa with all its natural flavors. It's going to be maybe one of your new favorite salsas to give a try. So if you guys are ready for today's recipe, if so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here we have it. This is the strawberry salsa. It is a fresh homemade salsa that is a nice twist on the classic salsa. Instead, we have juicy sweet strawberries along with the flavors of a regular salsa that would include the cilantro, some jalapeno peppers, the red onions, and then the honey along with the other seasonings of salt and pepper really adds to a nice take on the salsa. In this case, I just went ahead and served it regular style with some tortilla chips You could go ahead and serve it with some pita chips or some bread or whatever you may like. Definitely go ahead and give this a try, guys. This is a wonderful and refreshing way to eat some salsa. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you're a fan of fruit in your salsa. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.